guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, I'm Hijab Adore. I would love it if you stay and subscribe. This video has been requested so much, mostly on my Instagram, because I'm really active on my Instagram, but even on YouTube I do get a lot of questions what camera I use, what equipment I use. So today I just thought about really sitting down and showing you guys my really congested little corner that I like to call my filming room. And even this room is really small, right in front of a street, so a lot of times my audio is messed up because I'm trying to cancel out the background noise. I am still working on my audio quality, so if you have any suggestions for me, I would love it. I want to tell you that this video is sponsored by AzureZone.com. They're an authorized resellers of Whirlpool air purifiers and filters, and they sent me a air purifier to keep in my beauty room, and I have been using it for the past 3 weeks. And it's not like I'm brand new to air purifiers. I've always wanted to add an air purifier in my video room because of my allergies and how makeup brushes and all that can get really contaminated with dust mites and stuff. They reached out to me and they wanted me to review their Whirlpool air purifier, and I told them that I'm already planning on doing my filming setup video, and if they wanted to sponsor that video, and they agreed on this, so that's how this video is being sponsored by them. Other than the air purifier, everything else that I show you in this video was purchased with my own money, and the sponsorship does not affect any of my opinions. Ever since I added this air purifier in my room, I am not really getting runny nose and watery eyes because I'm a very heavy user of loose powder. So there's a lot of loose powder on my table all the time, and I know that it's in the air as well. And then on top of that, there's not a lot of ventilation in this little area, so it gets kind of more disgusting, and a lot of allergens just stay here. If you follow me on Instagram, you would know that my daughter is crazy allergic to almost everything on this planet, and my daughter was not even allowed to be in this room because every time she would enter the room she would start sneezing, because of course it's Los Angeles, we have a lot of dust here. And also guys, perfumes can give you allergies as well, and I do be using perfumes in this room because I do get ready in this little setup. But because it is super duper quiet, that's why I like this air purifier. It's actually on right now as well, and you don't hear it, so I wouldn't really go deep in science and tech stuff about the air purifier. The only thing I know is that I have seen results. If you love powder, perfumes and all that, and you don't really have a lot of ventilation in your room, I would highly recommend an air purifier. And you don't have to get the same one that I'm talking about, but if you do decide to get it from AzureZone.com, they have given me a 20% off coupon code for you guys. I will put it right here, and also in the description box down below there will be a link that would take you to their website, and you can purchase it at a very good deal, and you would see a difference yourself after adding an air purifier in your room or in your beauty video room, whatever you have going on there. Right across from me where I sit, I have kept this air purifier, and right now it's turned off. Literally just touch it and it turns on. You can barely hear the air purifier, and right now I'm just sitting right next to it. I just kept the box here just to show you guys, and there's a lot of information about this purifier. Alright guys, so this room gets used for other stuff as well. There's storage in this room, there's my makeup, like crazy amount of makeup in this room, and then on one little side I have this filming setup set up in here. And this room is already very small. I'm not really gonna show you the whole room, but I will only be focusing on the filming setup today. If I do make any mistakes in this video, don't come for me because I am not a very tech savvy kind of a person. Let's get started, guys. It's so hard for me to film, but these are the two soft boxes that I have. And that is where I sit right there. And this is a ring light. I will link everything down below, and this is how the floor looks like. There's a closet there. I don't really want to show you the mess because there's a mirror on it. And then I have this desk that I got from IKEA, and I have my iMac on there, and that is my Wi-Fi device, and that's just my external drive, my little notebook over there. I hope you're able to see but this is all the mess that I have in front of me every time I'm filming. And I'm actually filming on the camera that goes on top of this tripod right here, but I can't really show you that right now because I have to stand at the door of this room to film the little setup, and I can't really go more far away because I don't have any space in this room. And let's go on the other side of the setup to show you more stuff and how my view looks like when I'm sitting down to film. So this is a very cheap chair that I sit on that I got from eBay, and this is what I see. I have turned the lights off, otherwise it would blind you guys and you won't be able to see. But this is my ring light. These are the two soft boxes right there, and that's my iMac that I use to see myself while I'm recording. And this is something that I really recommend, guys, because I used to not know when I'm in focus and what shows better in the video. I just connect it to my camera, and that way I'm able to see whatever I'm recording. This iMac, I don't even know the model of it or anything. I'll of course put it in the description box after looking it up on there. I bought it off of eBay for like $250, and I think I got an amazing deal. And then these are little acrylic drawers that I have here that I just have my very basic everyday kind of makeup in. And then also in this IKEA table, there are two drawers that I don't want to open right now, but even these drawers have the very basic makeup that I use on a daily basis, because I drop a lot of makeup on here, and no matter how much I clean it, there's always like stains like that. So just clear plastic is just sticking to my table. So whatever mess I make, I can just take off the plastic and replace it, and the table stays clean. That's just some paper towels. And right there, that is my dupe for the lens Sigma f1.8 that I got off of eBay. And guys, this lens is the reason why you guys see me real close up, and the colors feel pretty vibrant, and I just got it for like maybe like $30. Right now I'm just using the one that comes in the standard Canon T6i box. And then right here you see these aluminum foil little cards. These are from, actually I just bought one which was like $8 from Home Depot, and I broke them in half, and as you can see, like right there, they're sticking onto my softbox with a clamp, and it really keeps the light inside of this little cubicle that I have going on here. I have one on this side as well. I actually put it up every time I'm filming the video. I just open the door of my closet and clamp it onto there. I don't know why I'm feeling like I'm out of breath. Now this is where I sit, and this is what you see in the background, but of course you don't see the light. But that is just a background light that I recently added, and I feel like it has really affected my video quality a lot. Really never want to change this backdrop because it just reflects the light so nice. Let me turn off the light. It is kind of pink with a lot of glitter on it, and I just feel like it kind of complements my skin a lot, and I really like it. But it's literally stuck on the wall with some thumbtacks, and that is the cheapest way I can do it. And then as you can see, this blue one is just hanging here because this is one of my scarves, and I just put it up right here just like this whenever I need a darker background, and I just stick it on with the thumb pins or something, and then it just covers the background like that. Otherwise I just put it on the side, and you only see like this much right here. And that little drawer setup is from Michaels, and I don't want to show you, but that's all the mess that my wires create. That's my water bottle, dirty brushes and all. But those drawers are from Michaels. I got them for like $35 each, and I have two of these actually in this room. But this is my very basic and very little setup that I have going on over here. I use the camera Canon T6i, and I connect my Rode mic with it. Okay, so I just turned on the lights. I didn't want to turn them on earlier because I knew that you won't be able to see anything because the lights just kind of overpower the whole shot. But I want to show you these soft boxes, the bulbs that are in here. And guys, as you can see that the bulbs in here, I have only changed the center bulb in there. The other four actually came with this soft box, and when the light comes to me, it reflects onto these little aluminum foil little cardboards, and then it just bounces back on my face, and that's how my face just gets a little bit better light. That tube light was already in this room. It has like 2 tubes in there, and even that kind of adds extra light to this setup, and I actually really like it. And yeah, so this is my current setup, and if it ever changes, I will let you guys know. All right guys, I tried to cover everything. If I did miss out on anything, I will try to put it in the description box, and even if you can't find it in the description box, I would love it if you shoot me a comment down below, and I will try to reply back to you as soon as possible and try to help you with whatever your question is. Other than that, that is it for this video. I hope that you guys like this video, and if you want me to do more videos about my Instagram pictures, Facetune, and all of that, if you want me to do more videos around content creating, let me know, and I will try to do more videos like this. But for this video, that is it. Take care guys. Bye.